If you're familiar with using the internet, you must have come across something like this. And what this is called is CAPTCHA, where you are asked to solve this little mathematics before you continue doing whatever you're doing on the website. So for those that don't know, what this is called is CAPTCHA, and it's an acronym for Completely Automated Public Turing Test to tell computers and humans apart. It is a technology used to determine whether an online user is a human or a computer program such as a bot. This is a security measure that has been put in place to be able to tell if the person using a particular website is a human or is a robot. And now you can be wondering how you can possibly make money off of this. Now this CAPTCHA comes in different forms. You can see here there are some that are alphabetical letters, there are some that are numerals, like some are combination of both, and you are asked to repeat whatever it is you're saying, because they know that if you're a human, you can actually tell which is which, and if you're a robot, you might not really be able to get the correct answer. So this is a security that has been put in place to determine which is human or which is computer using a particular website. Now, when people talk about typing job on the internet space, they're usually talking about you typing the words that have been said on a video or in an audio. So, but this is quite different, and the best part of this is that the website I'm going to be sharing with you on how to use this CAPTCHA to make money online, it's actually going to pay you instantly. So you don't really need to get to a particular threshold before you get your money. What it means is that as you're working, you can actually be getting your money paid out immediately. Now, before you consider leaving this video as I'm mentioning the website, you may want to stay around so that you get to know about the things you really need to know about how to make money using this website, so that you don't go about wasting your time or making mistakes. So the first website is called CAPTCHA.com. This is a website where you get legit typing jobs, especially when it comes to filling out CAPTCHAs. So how you will make money from using CAPTCHA is you just fill out CAPTCHAs that companies provide for you on this website. Now, the best part of this CAPTCHA.com is that the registration is free, and all you need to get started is just your smartphone and internet connection, or if you have a laptop, you can actually use that. So you see, you make money by CAPTCHA typing work in mobile, fill CAPTCHA and earn money without investment. So you don't need investment, and the online CAPTCHA work will have to pay you instantly. You see, like I mentioned earlier. So you can easily earn money from your home without so much stress, and it is flexible, like you get to work whenever you want to work. So you see how much you get to earn for each hour you work on the website here. There's no payout fees, so you get full earned amount. So whatever you earn on this website is what you're going to be paid. There's no payout fee. So these are the ways of withdrawing your money. There are payer, there are ATM, there's Bitcoin, perfect money, web money, all of that. So you see the typing jobs. And this website, another good thing about it is that they will train you on how to do the CAPTCHA typing. So you don't really need to stress yourself. As long as you'll be able to operate a computer or a smartphone, the website will take care of everything. All you need to do is just make yourself available by signing up. And to start working with them, you click Start Earn. Then you fill out this registration forms. You can actually sign up with your Google or Facebook account, and then you start making money on this website. So it's a very cool way of making a little money on this side. The second website is called Mega Typers. This is another place where you get to earn money by doing typing job, and of course it's just you solving CAPTCHAs, typing in what you have seen on the website that the website is going to provide for you to type in. So this particular website pays you on something they call typer credits, which is equivalent to $1. Like one typer credit is equivalent to $1. So and you can actually withdraw your money through PayPal, through bank checks, Perfect Money, Western Union, and so on. And as you can see here, it is suitable for mothers that stay at home, for parents that need a second job, students, and people in between jobs. So if you have a typing speed of about 10 words per minute, you may want to try it. And you know what is just required of you is just your smartphone, internet connection, or a laptop. And this is completely free to sign up. All you have to do is just to click here, fill out this information on the website, and then you register. And once they have jobs available, you do the job and you get paid. And like other ones, the payment is also instant. So if you know a student, a stay-at-home mom, or anybody you know that has interest in having a job in between, you may want to share this information with them so that they give it a try and see if it's actually going to work for them. I make videos about how to make money online, so if you really want to learn other ways to make money online, kindly like this video, subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any part. So the next website is called Kolotibablo. This is another place where you find typing jobs where you type in CAPTCHA, like you solve CAPTCHA and then you type it in. And like the previous ones, it also has instant withdrawal of any earned money you have earned on this website. And the website has been in place for since 2007, and they said they're planning to go nowhere. So you track your entry and the payment with accurate statistics according to the website. And here you can see the testimonials of people that have been using this website for some time. If you want to read more about their stories, you can click here. So you can see people from different parts of the world that have actually used this website and their testimonials using this website. So you might want to check out their stories and know if it's something you can actually do or not. The best part about all these websites is that they are available in almost all the countries of the world, but then you have to check out the countries yourself so that you'll be on a safe side. But majorly they're available in all the countries of the world. So to get started with this website, you click here and then you log in, you register with your email and every other information that you're going to be asked. Then you get started with the website, because once they have a job, you'll be notified and then you do it and you get your money instantly. Now, the truth is, you might not really get to earn millions of dollars by using this website, because the money they actually pay is not really that much, but it can actually go a long way in solving a little bit of your problem. By the time you have little money coming in, over time they can accumulate to make up something tangible that you can actually use to solve one or two problems. So this is a way of you having something on the side to be able to support your main source of income. So if you're looking to start up a business and you probably don't have the money, you might want to check out this video. And if you're looking to work with some AI tools that are going to pay you some money on popular AI tools, you might also want to check out this video. If this thing I mentioned on this video is not going to favor you, there are some links in the description below where you can find simple tasks apart from typing jobs that you can actually do and also get paid. Please don't fail to like and subscribe to my channel. I make videos about how to make money online so that you don't miss out on anyone, and I will see you in the next video.